Hi everyone, hope everyone doing well. Today the weather is not too bad compared from last week. Today I'm going to show you guys my messy greenhouse. This is all my vegetables that I grow this year. Let me start from this corner. This is my sunflowers. So some of them. This is called sunflower evening sun. They are looking very healthy. They are ready to go out actually. Right, next, this is my hollyhocks. I have got 3 of them. I plant them from I think January. Look how small they are. They are growing quite slowly to me, but they are doing all right. Right, next, this is my tomato, my baby tomato that I planted. I plant them both very late, but I have the bigger one, which I'm gonna show you next. Next to my tomatoes, this is Thai vegetable. In Thai, we call mara. I think it's called bitter gourd in English. They taste quite bitter, but I like to eat their shoot actually. I think they taste very nice. So I have got 3. They're growing quite slowly though. I'm not sure they are going to be okay, but finger crossed. So next, I have got some of in Thai we call makhura. It is Thai aubergine or Thai eggplant. They are growing quite slow. It's because I started to seed them very late, the end of March I think. Actually I should start from January, but they're doing fine to me. They are very healthy. Next, this is my Chinese kales. They are looking very good, very healthy. They taste delicious. I love them so much. They are one of my favorite vegetable. So this year I grow them a lot. I grow them this tray and this tray, all of them, and some outside. And this one, this tray, in this row, this is Marigold. They're looking fine. They are easy to grow. And next, this is zinnias, which is flowers. If you don't know, they are beautiful flowers. And this is my first time grow them. They are ready to go outside. So underneath, I have got my lettuces. I have got quite a lot actually. This is ready to pick up. So this is kind of the lettuces that you should pick up from outer leaf, like this, and then when you pick them, and then the middle leaf they started to grow again, and then you pick again. So they give you a longer time to harvesting. Still lettuces. And this is my Chinese lantern, which is I have the big plant outside, but I cut the roots this year and then put in the small pots, and then they're growing very, very good. Up here, I have a flower which is I seeded last year probably. They are ready to go out. This is Syrinth, if I'm not wrong. They are purple flowers, very beautiful. This one is first time I grow these flowers, which is egg flowers. Yeah, I look forward to see their flowers. They actually they look like a fly egg to me. They're doing very good. And that one is my salvia, which is I cut it and I put in the pot. I hope they are gonna be okay. And this is my Thai chilies. They're doing not bad actually. I hope they're gonna be okay soon when I change the pot. Come up here. I have got a tomato. This year I don't grow tomato too many as I grow a lot last year. And two of them, they are tigerellas. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are crimson clutch F1. Right. I think this is cucumber. Sunflowers. Thai eggplant. Next, this is my amazing sunflower that I plant. They're doing amazing. Look at them. They're ready to go out. And at the back, Thai eggplants still. I have a lot of Thai eggplant. I see them a lot because I worry they're gonna die some, so I have spares. Next, 1, 2, 3 pots I was given from my sister-in-law. Poppy, and this is flowers, a bush flowers called Malva Alicia. Yeah. Next, this is my runner beans, which is I bought it from garden center. They're ready to go out. Next, this is in Thai we call fang. It's kind of melon. Yes, and then I seeded them six of them, but they only popped up just 3, which is fine. Next, nutrition. This it takes so long to pop up, but they is doing fine. And sunflowers again. And this is my cucumbers. I think this is melon cucumbers. So I have got 3. Down below, this is Marigold. I bought it from garden center. They are lovely color. They are cream. Marigold American F1. It's ready to go out too. And this is the long beans. So they are ready to go out too. Thai eggplants, which I left. Doing not too bad. And this one is a Chinese morning glory. Yeah, they're doing not too bad. The weather wasn't very good, so I hope they're okay from now on because the weather start to be brighter and hotter. This is marigold that my sister-in-law gave it to me. Chilies, my Thai chilies. Yes, that's it actually. So I still have some outside. I have outside. I have, if you see over there, is my garlics, which is I going to harvest next month or maybe the end of this month. And my small greenhouse there, I still have some Thai chilies, which is doing not too bad. And I have beetroots in my tray. Yeah, that's it actually. And that is the one is my cosmos and cornflowers, which is I'm going to put them somewhere in the front bed, I think. Yes, that's it. So thank you for watching, guys.